Real-life conversation. Getting ready. Hey, Anna, you look busy this morning. Are you going somewhere important?
Yes, I have a meeting today, so I want to make sure everything is ready before I leave.
I understand. What's the first thing you usually do?
I always check the weather first because I need to know what to wear.
That makes sense. I usually check my schedule before anything else because I don't want to forget important tasks.
Oh, that's a good habit. After checking everything, I pack my bag with all the things I need for work.
Do you carry many things every day?
Yes, sometimes. And if I see dark clouds outside, I also take an umbrella just in case.
That sounds like me. On colder days, I usually wear a jacket before leaving.
Same here. After getting dressed, I put on my shoes and make sure I'm almost ready.
I have one habit that I never forget.
Really? What is it?
I always grab my keys first because I once forgot them and had to come back home.
Oh no, that happened to me too. Before leaving, I always turn off the lights because I hate wasting electricity.
That's very responsible. And of course, I always lock the door before I go.
Exactly. Then I finally leave the house and start my day.
Looks like we both have pretty busy mornings.
Yes, but having a good routine makes everything easier.
Thank you for learning with us today. See you in the next conversation.